Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lex, and in today's broadcast we are going to look at what happens when sloth is mixed with infamy and how refusing to do anything about a situation just makes that problem grow. Before we begin, I would like to let everybody know that this will be the last Lex Rambles until 2025. I enjoy making videos, but I've decided that it's time for a break. I'll still make YouTube shorts and I'll maybe do a live stream where I play Overwatch or something, but right now it's just a small break from the rambles, and thank you for understanding. Today we will be looking at Tophia Slidell, otherwise known as Tophiachu, who is a 30-year-old American TikToker known for her near-daily live streams. Her live streams cover a variety of topics, from live streaming games like The Sims 4, chatting about current events, or just sharing her life story. Her infamy came from Tophia's refusal to get a job despite her family's financial hardships, and she believes TikTok is her job. She has also faced criticism due to her obsession with Asian men and her overall poor attitude. One example is, instead of saving her money towards the rent for the family apartment, she would spend it on items like makeup. Were eventually evicted from their apartment in New Mexico and had to find somewhere else fast. The family eventually ended up in a motel, which has mixed reviews online. The family was there for a while and were eventually kicked out because they didn't pay their rent on time, and the family had to stay in their car until their living situation was sorted out. A housekeeper at the motel, nicknamed Squid, made a video where she said that a content creator who was known for going live had been staying at her workplace, but she never outright named Tophia. Squid recounted later on that a member of Tophia's family had gone to the bathroom on the sidewalk just outside the hotel, something that Squid called acting like an animal. Squid also shared pictures of the poor room conditions with garbage and dirt scattered across the floor, as well as even chunks of the door missing. Squid also claimed that the motel had to throw out some sheets, I believe, that were given to the family. Tophia, in classic fashion, instead of going, "Hey, I'm sorry," instead decided to make it about race, saying, "How dare Squid call a black woman an animal?" Although it has been disputed if Tophia is actually black. She claims to be Hispanic and black, and I've seen some people say that Tophiachu isn't her dad, but I keep getting conflicting information on that. And Tophia also tried making excuses as to why the motel room was so decrepit instead of looking at her own actions. Now that the backstory is out of the way, I would like to give my thoughts on the situation at hand. First off, Tophia, it's nobody's fault but your own for refusing to get a job. Nobody in life is going to give you success for free or have money fall from the sky. And I don't know what level of education Tophia has, but I think maybe she should consider at some point going back to school for something that she enjoys. She showcased some art in the background of her videos, so why not take some art classes or follow some art tutorials online? Also, it seems like she blames white people for all her problems. And Tophia, nobody called you an animal because of your looks. You were called an animal for going to the bathroom in public outside a motel on the sidewalk. Stop bringing race into things to avoid criticism. If you do get a job, Tophia, you can still do TikTok on the side as a hobby, although I heard that's getting banned in January, so I don't know what to do then. And you don't have to give up making content, you can just do it as a hobby. And as a whole, I can tell that Tophia really lets the internet affect her, and I think a break may do some good for her. I think right now she needs to be given time to reevaluate her life choices and make a change for the better, because no one but her can make a change for her. And if she doesn't want to, well then that's her own fault. Before I leave off, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody for sticking with me for be it a week or 3 years. Thank you so much for, watching my stuff, and it means a lot that so many people enjoy what I make. Now, like I said, I will still be doing YouTube shorts, so if you want to check those out, go ahead. And I might do a live stream or two. It's just going to be a break from the rambles for the time being. But once I come back in 2025, well, then I will just keep rambling away. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more of my content, then please subscribe to Sweet Histortea, a channel full of random facts, lots of sparkles, and tons more videos to come in the future. Thank you so much again for watching, and until next time, bye-bye!
There's a part